Is it working again? Worst dance off ever? Or best dance off ever? Taking the apartment.
What a way to bring back the vlog.
I like Lily's singing.
That's it?
Oh, I can't get them both in.
That's what she said?
She said, oh!
Dance party. Dance off. Oh my god, I wonder who's winning. This is a close second here. So awkward. I have a song that'll make them dance.
Oh, yeah. I got my
So Thomas keeps calling Dan, and we're in the car with him.
I'm gonna block you.
You're gonna block him? Why?
Don't block me, you douche. Because you deserve it. Stop it! I'm having way too much fun with this.
We're on the way to Sarah's birthday.
Don't do it.
Uh-oh. Here it comes.
This is good fun!
Traffic!
Alright, I'm done. No, you're not. You just said that, so you're not. What are you doing on your phone, Thomas? Put it in my pocket. After you called me. Thomas! What are you doing? I'm on the phone, Dan! Don't.
Don't do it.
Wait. Alright, geez, I'll get back to you in a moment. Don't you dare. Oh, fuck.
You're getting sent to voicemail.
Don't do that. Don't send me a voicemail. Hey Goldie, I guess I missed you. Just call me back when you get a chance, and then I'll just call Dan to piss him off. All right?
Oh, he really did call me.
Don't do that.
You really did call me.